Do things for others. Helping others is not just good for them and a good deed to do, it will also make you happier and healthier too. Giving also helps us connect to others, creating stronger communities and helping to develop a happier society for everyone. It's not all about money. We should also give our time, ideas, and energy. So if you want to feel good, try to do good. Doing things for others, either small things, unplanned acts, or regular volunteering, is an effective way to boost our own happiness as well as those around us. The people we decide to help could be strangers, friends, colleagues, family, or neighbors. They may be old or young, nearby or far away. Giving isn't just about money, so you don't have to be rich to give to others. Giving can be as simple as a single kind word, a smile, or a thoughtful gesture. It might include giving time, care, thought, skills, or attention. Many times this means as much, if not more, than money. Many scientific studies have shown that helping others will boost happiness. It does increase life satisfaction, it provides a sense of meaning, it develops feelings of competence, it improves our mood, and it reduces stress. It may also take our minds off our own troubles too. Kindness towards others is the glue which connects individual happiness with the community and societal well-being. Giving to other people helps us connect with them and meets one of our basic human needs, relatedness. Kindness and caring also seem to be contagious. If we see someone do something kind or thoughtful, or perhaps we are on the receiving end of kindness, it truly inspires us to be kinder ourselves. Therefore, kindness spreads from one person to the next, changing the behavior of people who never saw the original act. Kindness truly is the key to creating a happier and more trusting local community. Science shows that there are strong links between happiness and helping others. Happy people are more probable to be interested in or be inclined toward helping other people. It is more likely that they have recently performed acts of kindness or spent a larger percentage of their time or money helping others. There seems to be a relationship between happiness and helping others at every age. Preschool children who showed empathy were more likely to have happy moods. High school students who experienced intense positive feelings were more probable to be involved in community service activities such as volunteering. Working adults who are happier at work were more inclined to help others. Volunteering has also been connected to many benefits for senior citizens, including more happiness and life satisfaction. People who give an amount of their monthly income to charitable causes or spend it buying gifts or others were found to be more happy than people who did not spend on others, and this was regardless of their income level. Happiness makes us give more to others, and giving more makes us happier, which then leads to a greater tendency to give, and so on. This effect is consistent across different cultures. It makes sense that helping others contributes to our own happiness. Scientists are rethinking the idea of the selfish gene and are exploring the evolution of altruism, compassion, cooperation, and kindness. Human beings are very social creatures and have evolved as a species living with others. If people are altruistic, they are more probable to be liked by others and build social connections and supportive social networks, which leads to increased feelings of happiness and well-being. Participating in shared jobs like community service and other social activities can predict how satisfied people are, even after other factors are taken into consideration. Giving literally feels good. In a study of over 1,700 women volunteers, scientists reported the experience of a helper's high. This was an euphoric feeling followed by a prolonged period of calm experienced by many of the volunteers after helping. These feelings result from the release of endorphins and is followed by a longer-lasting period of enhanced emotional well-being and sense of self-worth, feeling that reduce stress and improve the health of the helper. It was thought that human beings only did things when they got something in return. How then could we explain people who donated money anonymously? Studies of the brain have shown that when we give money to good causes, the same parts of the brain light up as if we were receiving money ourselves. Giving to other people activates the reward centers of our brain, which will make us feel good and so encourage us to do more of the same. Giving help has a stronger link with mental health than receiving it. Studies have proved that volunteers have fewer symptoms of depression and anxiety and they feel more hopeful. It is also related to feeling good about oneself. It can help to distract people from dealing with their own issues and be grateful for what they already have. Volunteering is also linked with psychological well-being. Giving can also increase how long we live. Studies of older people suggest that those who give support to others may live longer than those who don't. This included support to friends, relatives, neighbors, and emotional support to their partner. On the other hand, receiving support did not influence living longer. Helping is linked with increased happiness and health, but feeling burdened by it can be detrimental, for instance in the case of long-term carers. There is evidence that while giving for pleasure is associated with higher self-esteem, more satisfaction and positive feelings, giving under pressure is not. There are many times when we must give because it is the compassionate response and the right thing to do, for instance in times of crisis and need. However, we should try to match our giving activities to things that we find naturally enjoyable, in line with our own goals and feel are worthwhile for ourselves as well as the receiver. If we are happy givers, the receivers will probably benefit more and we are more likely to continue to give.